Laura, 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 Laura. You rock, Laura. You brought us a big jar of joy. Oh boy, Laura. Thank you for supporting our movie. It's so groovy. LARPer Dad is gonna be so rad because you came along and gave us money. Money that's sweet like honey, that's sweet like our movie, which is gonna be groovy. I'm repeating my rhymes, and I'm running out of time. So I gotta say one more thing, that you make our hearts go bling. Thank you, Laura.